this feels horrible. Alright. Fuck. So, an update. A lot of things will be happening because of how, well, I remember how to do them. Too fucking lazy. This fucking chair. Get used to this sound. No, if I just keep doing that and you close your eyes, this could be a whole different situation. Father. Anyway. I don't want to do that shit again. Ooh, none of these are working. As I realize. So, as I'll continue with this. Hey, you get to see how things are working. Okay, so there's a motherfucker. Can I copy this? Easier on me. This boss thing. This is gonna be action mines. That's how you use portals if you actually use them, so just walk into them. There, the Dark Temple. Now we start here because there's no way back. Of course, you can only get here if you beat hard mode, which isn't really hard mode, it's just more enemies. Slightly different bosses, or slightly hard bosses. Bosses have different hues. Oh boy! I mean, like, alright, there's a lot of fucking spoilers I just showed right here. But I don't really give a shit, and that's kind of the point. I don't really give a shit if people spoil this game. This game is not meant to be found. It's a horrid abomination, failed abortion child that I made. And a bunch of friends of mine just brought it to life with their voices and their talents. And to be honest, I'm forever fucking grateful for that. Like, if it wasn't for them, fuck, these games won't fucking exist, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, they would, but they won't be, I won't love them, that's the thing. If I did it all by myself, I wouldn't fucking love what I'm doing. But it's the fact that my friends decided to actually give this thing life, this abomination. Oops, my mic. Did I give this fucking abomination life? And like, it tears me up every time I think about it. Not gonna lie. It's so awesome. Like, yeah, this can happen, but why? Because fuck it, that's why. That's why I want to make these damn games. It's just for some reason making games because it's fun. I forget how fun it is just to make something stupid, like a stupid boss scenario. Or a villain decides to flip their shit because someone broke their precious piano. That may or may not be a plot for a story. I cannot confirm or deny that. Or can I? Anyway. Fuck, I have to go to the cannon. Son of a bitch. That leads to the new Temple Face boss, which is going to be erased. I mean, it won't be erased, but it will be a standard RPG battle. I mean, actually, since I might make the Temple Titan, as the title here says. I don't know if I hear if I'm correct. Yeah, it's his old battle thing. He just moves around, turns to a ghost and shit. He's an extra boss. We know he's dead at this point, which doesn't make sense. But hey, once you're into hard mode, there's no canon anymore. There's no story. There's just more shit for sake of more shit. Oh, there's a line I need to remove. The paycheck line. That'll make it think like he's dead. Station Temple Titan. Here I'll just pretend that's the middle, and this is the original Temple Titan. Yep. Goodbye. That was a placeholder. This is just a repeat. But of course, first I have to design him, which you will not see because this video's cringy enough already, and I don't want to torture you anymore. I mean, I'm a fucking lying dog, but I can't wait for me to get taken down by YouTube for swearing. Alright, I'm deep down, I'd be a sailor. Where the hell's the cannon? Here's one. There we go. Excuse my voice crack. Just ignore that. I'm tired because I just woke up. Son of. It appears to have any function. Let's screw you then. God, this is so useless. Fucking Dark Realms. Every boss world's fucking useless. There is no point to them. In fact, they shouldn't even exist. I really should just get rid of them. But I like hiding little Easter eggs in them sometimes. I might even finish them. Who knows? But yeah, I won't get my friend to give these their own theme. No, I don't want to subject them to that. I could always like reuse music, but just make it go backwards for some reason. I don't know why. I don't really canon originally. Oh wait, no, I did. I remember. Oh, did I fix the volume on you? Yes, I did. Perfect. And now, finally, so Burning Hollow 4B. That's not gonna be there. No, wait, Temple Face, the first boss. You know what's funny for today? What else can I just inform whoever the hell cares about this game? There's admin key, which I'm not gonna spoil, even though I don't care. So that actually, I prefer Head of Colossus better than the last level. This last level's just it was lazily done, but it's kind of point. It's supposed to be like a mess. It's like it's a last ditch effort, or effort what I did with a rewrite. What's just really just like now worlds have these pixels everywhere. So I go just to sign that area here is missing. And that's their entire purpose. Oh yeah, see. Hard mode just adds the heavy phantom, which are easy to avoid, but might change. I may make some of them go fast, some of them go slow. But if I can figure out how to, make the time limit better, maybe, because I know I can make a level based on a time limit. I can put a timer. If it goes down, you're dead. But that'll be kind of annoying because I'm not good with times. I don't do math right. Math just sucks. And now there's the other gimmick that weren't there before. Jesus Christ, what are there now? Oh, yes, I just have to remove them. Here, or maybe they will, but is this gray slash transparent? It's gray. Okay, the coloring it messed my brain up. I just woke up, like I said. As what's any stations considered finished so far? As you need to make more platforms like these, you'll see what's on page 2. That's a spoiler. You know I don't care, but sometimes I like to make surprises. My friends know just about everything else secret as in this game because he kind of has to know he tests. But now I'm doing the testing because that guy who makes the shit, I should be doing that. Oh, that's something I could do for hard mode instead of just getting the tablet if to fight a boss before that. It'll be annoying, but that be the point. Oh no. Oh. I screwed up. I mean, it doesn't matter. Oh wait, I can just do this. Scroll up. Boom. Actually, I'll just restart it because I didn't do much to begin with. There we go. Didn't do much to begin with. No, never mind. I saved. I did save. Multiple times, apparently. Alrighty. That's basically the game's basically almost. I mean, it technically is finished. That's the thing. I have to re-add a 100% mode, which is just. I mean, you already get your reward for being a game now. You do it. You get the card for everything. Basically, you can. It's not debug, but it's like cheat tool. Basically, you get cheats after you beat the game. Doesn't make sense, but I don't care. But for now, the game is on pause. That's what I'm worried about. Both games. There's Worlds and Titans Unleashed. And that one's going to be a hectic one. Oh boy. I'm not even close to being done with that game. Because I started like almost a year and a half ago, I think. I don't know how long it's been, but what the hell? Guess I'm yawning. I want to go to bed, but I just got up from it. At Titans Unleashed, that one might be put on pause for God knows how long, just until this is done. I'm not gonna continue working on that game until this is all done, because I'm not making the same mistakes I did before. You know, that's why I am here, because I made the same damn mistake. I left the game unfinished, so now I decided to add a bunch of random shit you probably don't even care about. Ta-da!